So here's how to add drop-down list in Excel. So as you can see, we're currently in Microsoft Excel. From here, select the desired part where you want to add the drop-down list. This way, select the entire part where you want to add the drop-down. And after that, go over to Data on the top panel. After that, look for the option that says Data Validation. And if you click on it, you will get to see this tab pop up. So once you're here, go over to Settings, and then right below Validation Criteria, you will get to see Allow. So click on this drop-down and go through the options to look for a list. Once you find it, click on it. After that, go over to Source and then click on this option. After that, on this Data Validation box, just type in the option that you want to add to your drop-down list. And if you have the data available on your Excel, you can select that as well. So after you're done typing it in, just click on OK. Now, just go ahead and select any of the section and you will get to see this drop-down option right here. If you click on this drop-down, you will see the option that you've added previously. And that is exactly how to add drop-down list in Excel.